Hello viewers, you have already known that Photoshop has launched a very new Photoshop which is Photoshop CC 2020. Now today I'm going to show you top 5 secrets of Photoshop CC 2020. So let's get started. The first secret is on the camera raw filter. Let's check. So I'm going to open the camera raw filter. In here the camera filter is all about like before, but it just added a new feature which is texture. You can easily increase or decrease the texture of any image. So let's check what will happen if we increase the texture. So this is the 100% of texture and this is the negative 100% of the texture, and this is the neutral of the texture. Now I'm going to show you how to utilize this feature very creatively. Cancel this and take a copy of this background layer by pressing Ctrl J. Here I am going to give the name of this layer is texture. And I am going to make it to smart object, because if we work on smart object then we can revalue all the values later. Now I am going to camera raw filter. So here I am giving the 100% of texture. Just click on OK. So this is the before of 100% texture and this is the after of 100% texture. Now I am going to give these textures on some particular portion. Therefore I am going to take a layer mask which will be the negative layer mask by pressing Alt and the layer mask button here. So as we used the negative layer mask, this layer is unused actually. Therefore I need to take the brush tool and taking the soft brush tool and give the foreground color white. And just brushing over the areas where we need the textures. Like we need the textures here. Don't forget to give the flow and opacity to 100%. We can edit this in later by controlling the opacity. I'm going to give more textures on here. So let's check what was before, and this was before and this is now. Some portion has gotten the textures. To make this photo better, we just need to soften few areas. Therefore, I am taking all the merged layer by pressing Ctrl Alt Shift E. So this is the all merged layer. I am giving the layer name to soften, and I am making it smart object also. And here I am going to filter and camera raw filter. And here I am decreasing the texture as negative 100%. And here all the areas of this image get softer. Now click on OK. Now we just need to apply the soften on some particular areas. Therefore I am taking the negative layer mask again and taking the brush tool and giving the foreground color white and give the opacity 100%, flow also will be 100%. Just brush over the areas where we need the soften. The second secret feature is ContentAware. Let's import another picture. In this photo, we will apply the ContentAware on this subject. Therefore, I'm going to select the subject. So here the subject is selected, and now I'm going to edit, and here the ContentAware field. Let's check where the sample will take. From this green side it will take the samples. Therefore I'm removing these greens. Now I'm clicking on auto and click on OK. Just see the magic. The subject is vanished and there is no fringe or any other destructive elements. Everything is done very smoothly. Isn't it a magic? Now come over the third secret feature, which is the background remove. Just take this photo. And I'm taking a copy of this layer and I'm going to properties, and here the remove background. Just uncheck the previous background. Now you can easily fix those outer edges by refined edge brush tool. Isn't it a magic? Now the fourth tool is brush tool. Let's check. Take a new blank layer and take the brush and take any color, like I'm taking the green. And here I'm brushing. Now if you want to remove these brushes, just press the delta key and brush again where you want to remove those brushes, like this. This is magic. You just don't need to take the eraser tool and erase this. You just need to press the delta key and just brush again over the where you want to remove the brushes. Now the fifth feature is text control. Just write something here by taking the text tool. Like I'm writing the girl. Make it bigger by pressing shift. And here I'm going to properties. Look, you can easily flip this on horizontal and flip in vertical, and you can give the angle like 45 degree. And on the below side you will have the open font options, and you can convert it to frame and you can convert it to shape. So this is all about top 5 features of Photoshop CC 2020. I just need to give a million of thanks to Adobe to brought us such awesome features on Photoshop CC 2020.